If you're still using packaged spice blends, your sambar is missing out. Big time. This is the exact blueprint for a flawless, authentic sambar powder made right at home. It's vibrant, deeply aromatic, and a complete game changer. First up, the crunchy base. We're slow roasting fenugreek, urad dal, and chana dal in a dash of warm oil over low heat. Give it a minute until they change color and start releasing that incredibly rich, nutty aroma. Next, toss in your cumin and coriander seeds. Honestly, this is the exact moment your whole house is going to smell like a gourmet kitchen. Throw in a handful of fresh curry leaves for a beautiful crisp. Byadgi chillies for that gorgeous color, and Guntur chillies for a nice kick of heat. Finish strong with a touch of asafoetida. Let it cool down completely before you grind it into a fine, flawless powder. And just like that, your secret ingredient is ready. Pack it in an airtight container. Save this recipe for your next kitchen day. And hit follow for more authentic flavor secrets.